Today I'm going to be hitting the car with some primer. The plan is to hit it with primer today at home, so then in a couple of days time I can wet sand it and then take it into Blake's work where he has a booth and hit it with the top coat. Mix up some paint and get squirting. So I don't really know what I'm doing. Never painted a car before, but can't be that hard. Gonna mix up some paint.
Subjectively, there is no such thing as death. Life is only a dream. Of ourselves. That all matter is merely energy condensed.
You fucking rugger. Well, that's all the body panels done. I think they come up alright. Just another quick wipe down and start spraying. All the panels are just sitting in the shed. I think they look alright. Heaps of little holes in some of these. I could not be arsed bogging. Rear bar sitting over here.
Isn't it?
Now I'm just going to use this as a final wipe down. Get rid of all the stuff that's blown all over it.
Yo, Dre! What's up? Give me a funky ass bass line. We got the bass.
Well, that's the primer all done. Come out alright. Looks pretty good. I missed a couple of spots, but pretty happy with how it came out. It's only the primer, it's just a drift car, but yeah, it looks alright. I didn't even bother sanding these areas here because the over fender's going there. I missed a little spot on the roof, a little streak that I didn't get with the second coat. Yeah, you can see the streak I missed just there. Bit of the black showing through, but primer doesn't have to get everywhere. Gives me something to wet sand. Give it a day or two, let the primer cure a bit, and then hit it with a 400 or 600 grit wet sand. Make it all nice and smooth. Keen to see it all assembled. The rest of the parts, they're all dry now. Well, that's the end of that video. Next one will be laying down the base coat. Pretty excited for that. Then assemble the car and it'll all be one colour, finally. It's always been multi-coloured. When I put the wide body and body kit on, before that it was painted by the bloke before me in a horrible satin black, done with rattle cans. Next video is going to be sick.